Hey guys, this is the OUKITEL portable power station, outdoor power. Let's check it out. All right, check it out. That thing's pretty cool. Let's see if it turns on right out of the box. Yep, so we got 48% right out of the box. So we'll put it on charge. It comes with a 200-watt solar panel, so you can charge the battery with the sun. You can also plug it into a wall outlet and charge it that way and have it ready for a storm, camping, going to the beach, football game, anything you need power, portable power for. You can connect all your USB devices here. You can connect all your 120 volt items here. Look at that. So you got 4 options here for 120 volts. What is this? There's your 12 volt, 10 amp cigarette lighter. So anything that has that adapter, you can plug in and get DC power that way. You can get DC power through here, a 12 volt 3 amp and another 12 volt 3 amp. Let's hook up some stuff and see how it works. When the power goes out, I want to be able to have a fan, lights. I want to be able to charge my phone, listen to the radio, whatever I need to power up. Let's hook up this fan and see how it does. 120 volts. There it goes. That's on low. Medium. And that's on high. That's working great. And it shows you right here your power load. And it's saying with this load right now, you've got 9 hours. So you could run this fan on high for 9 hours. 9 hours of having a fan, if you're out of power, is gold. It's pretty cool. It's blowing high. No problem. All right, let's put that on low for a second. So see, it went up to 11 hours. If you put it on low, it's gonna run for 11 hours, guys. At 48%, we're only halfway charged. So if you charge this to full charge, I'm assuming you would have about 20 hours or so. Pretty wild. In the summertime, if the power goes out, fan is a must. All right, let's try a light. All right, we got the fan going, now we need some light. If the power goes out, you're definitely gonna need some light. All right, here we go. And there it is. The fan's going, the light's going. All right, we got the fan, we've got light. Now we need to be able to charge our cell phone. All right, let's go ahead and hook up the phone here. I don't even know if it's charged, probably not. USB. Let's see what happens. There it goes. So it's on, it was completely empty, and now it's charging. All right, we got a phone charging, we got the light on, and we got the fan going. And currently it says we have about 8 hours of power left running these devices. Let's go ahead and hook up another device. Let's hook up a charger for a flashlight. The power goes out, you might need a flashlight. So let's hook up a flashlight. And this one's set up for USB or 120 volts. Let's go ahead and do 120 volts so it charges faster. All right, there we go. Flashlight's charging. It still says we're at 8 hours. These are like the essentials, really, if the power goes out. You got light, ability to charge your phone, flashlight, and a fan. And you still have room. You've got another outlet here you can put on. You've got room for other chargers and other devices. And it says we still have 47% left in 8 hours. So I do a lot of work in the shop, and a drill is very handy, especially when the power's out, because you can use it to fix things. Let's go ahead and see if we'll charge this battery for this drill. It's about to storm right now, so this is perfect timing. Let's see if we can charge this battery. There it goes. It is charging right now. Okay, that battery charger I just hooked up is using a decent amount of energy. So you can see it went down to 4 right there. But if we unplug this, this is going to go back up. See, it went back up to 8. So this thing uses a decent amount of energy for a short period of time, because this is a high energy draw. I'm not sure exactly how much energy it's drawing, but it's doing quite a bit. But if we just needed to get a little bit of a charge, we could charge it for a few minutes and pull it off, and our power goes back up. The other thing we can do, obviously, if the power in your house is working, you can have this plugged in and keep it charged up. And if the power does go out, you're ready. And the other thing you can do, if the power's out, you can hook up the solar panel. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, guys, it's starting to storm outside right now, actually. So there's not a lot of sun, but let's go ahead and pull this panel out. Let's hook it up and see if we can get any energy, even though the clouds are out. This kit comes with a solar panel. It's pretty cool. All right, check it out. This is cool. This is really nice. There's your cables. You can plug them right into the machine. We're gonna do that in a second here. This is your solar panel, guys. Check it out. Wow, that's a nice one. Really nice. That thing's huge. It's heavy duty, solid. I really like that design. I like that color too. That color gray is cool. Let's hook up the solar panel. All right, there it is. Solar panel's hooked up, and there's a lot of room on the cable, so you can move the solar panel around to capture the sun. It's charging right now. See how many watts we get if we lay it down flat. All right, we're getting almost full sun right there. Oh yeah, 195 watts. That's pretty cool. And depending on how many panels you have hooked up, because you can hook them up in multiples. So that's a 200 watt solar panel. So you can hook up higher ones, obviously. All right, guys, the panel is rated IP65. It's splash proof. It's also eco-friendly and has green energy benefits. Check out the app. Download it on your phone or tablet. It'll allow you to control the OUKITEL via Wi-Fi, whether you're in another room, outside, or away from home. The OUKITEL has a really cool feature where you can charge from 400 watts up to 1800 watts. It's a really unique feature that allows you to dial in the amount of wattage that you charge the battery with, getting up to 80% charge within 1 hour. All right, guys, click on the link below. Go check out OUKITEL. They have lots of different size units. This one is the P2001 Plus. It is their best seller. It's an 1800 watt AC input, and it's awesome. Go check them out. Click on the link below. Let me know if you get one. All right, guys, see you on the next one. Later.